guys, welcome back to Jay Channel. So for today, guys, we're gonna do another video. So for today, we're gonna pack. Okay, let's pack. So we have oopsie, camera. So like we have, if you know a couple video, oops, ouch, no. I'm just.
Muna yung mga bawal na pasok dito, ha? Of course, yes, sir! Bawal ang pets. At syempre, bawal ang any weapons. Tama yan. Huwag ka magpapalit sa trabaho mo, ha?
Okay,
Sir,
guys, you don't see.
At hindi rin ako palabos, eh. Kamay ba ako? Matino ka na ba?
Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir, promise.
You don't see, but it's okay. So if you know you've been seeing this a couple videos now, but you're not using it today, we're gonna use it for my Lego snack. So it has this. It's actually a makeup pouch, but I kind of also makeup that wash that I'm kind of messing. So yeah, okay, by the way, so it has a mirror right there. You can
Kailangan na pala ng tulong sa kusina, ha? Pwede ba akong tawagin? Ayos, ha? Ibig sabihin mo
see.
pero masipag akong tubikin.
Okay, also it can so let's pack the pizza. It's gonna be in here. First, we're gonna put, of course, we're gonna put, this is gonna be like a fidget, so we're gonna put a DIY phone.
Aga mo naman.
Also have this butter, like I was supposed to do with stickers, but my friend gave it to me, so yeah. And so first, we're gonna put here lipstick. We also have some ribbons, some ties. Put it inside of it.
Hi there. Anong sadya mo? Kaya akong pinundo pagkatapos ng meeting sa Makati. Kinililig ka ng shock. What?
So we have this bowl with coins. Also some lucky charms. And that pizza. Those are beads. Yeah. Yep, those are beads. Nope, those are not gold. Hi guys, sorry. It's just not gold. Okay, we also have this. Love this. Ano ba? I made it! This ball. Shaky. Let's do the icing. So we can hear it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I will put it right here. Wow.
Piskuha rin to. Sige, baby. Throw me.
He will tell you sit it down. Let's come back to this. We're back.
Napuyat ako eh. Hindi kasi sanay na duty ng gabi.
Okay, now we have cards. We have so many of them. Whoa, there's so many cards. Oh yeah, I'm rich. I'm rich with cards. Want cards? Who wants a card?
Hindi ako pagagalitan nun kasi alam niya malakas ako kay Elsa. Alam mo hindi ako magtataka kung gawin akong manager itong TTV. Kaya ngayon pa lang magdidikit ka sa akin. Kasi pag na-promote ako, itataas ko sa akin.
First, let's start with before we're starting, please subscribe and like. And by the way, let me show you the fit check. Today is a fit check. Fit check be like. We have nice weather and stuff.
Hindi my friend, ha? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka nangangating mangutang.
It happened pa.
Buti naman.
Some nice unicorn
Tatanong ko lang sana sa'yo,
shorts.
kung alam mo itong property sa Kanyogan na.
Okay, let's go back to this.
Alam ko, malapit sa simbahan to. Oo.
Oo, okay. Ito kasi yung property na ilalok sa akin ng committee kapon. Para kung mo.
Talaga. Okay.
Okay, we're back. Oops, something fell on the ground.
Sama ako, ha?
Hindi mo. Oo, sama ka sa Kanyogan.
Sasama ako. Wala namang ginagawa ngayon, eh. Tsaka may pupuntahan tayo din. May masarap na tindahan ng siopaw doon.
Sure mo na naman. Dito na rin siopaw dito. Dati, kakain ka lang ng siopaw.
Hindi, binigay mo naman sa akin. Hindi ko naman kinain, eh. Kasi ayoko nang masado. Gusto ko bola-bola, eh. Hindi na naman sa
Guys, I'm okay.
Hindi ito pupuntahan natin.
I'm okay. Just for
Kasi masarap ang siopaw.
Basta, bumalik tayo sa building.
this bobo busy, bro.
Okay, sige. Peace na ako.
Teka,
Oh.
kotse? Kotse.
Eh, sa akin naman.
Kotse.
Maria! Maria! Pakitawag mo nga si Robert, sabihin mo alis kami. Tapos pakilagay na rin sa kotse, ha?
Sige po.
Okay, sige.
Uy, bumangon ka nga dyan. Baka may mga dumating na customer.
Naka yan, naka ba?
Sige na, pumesto ka na dun sa pwesto mo.
Minigit lang ko. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Wag na, sige na. Baka si Sir Patrick mo makakita sa'yo. Di ba sabi niya bawal matulog habang naka-duty?
Oh, wala pa naman sila nila MC.
O ayun na, may customer na dumating, di mo na na-inspect.
Alam mo, maganda ka sana. Pero makulit ka lang.
Eh ikaw,
Ano ko?
makulit lang.
Alam mo,
I'm sorry.
excited
I
na ako.
did the video
Sa tindahan ng
first.
siopaw.
Okay, let's go back. So we have
Ako, maniwala ka sa akin. Yun.
this cologne coffee thing. May ginagawa nga ni tao.
Palibre, para bumabalik eh.
So it has, we have this cologne with
Uling ba talaga? Ang tamis, hindi matiis. Skyflex kondensada.
I just need to fix these cards.
Picturean mo yung
Fisherman's friend.
dali.
Ano ba?
To our sweat and odor protection, 95% pure vitamin C
So,
factor
yeah.
D with Nivea Extra
I'm
Light.
so good. Like, I'm so pretty.
May pera na po kayo eh.
Okay, let's be fast here.
Hindi kayo nakakairita. Why? Was I really that obnoxious before?
Ay, hindi.
Oh, tamo? Ha?
It's been like this. I feel like it's been an hour. Ayan,
Sir, dadaan ko tayo ng toilet. May load ko ba to?
Ay, wala na nga pala. Teka, mag-look muna. Babot nga yung bago dyan. Nandiyan yung cellphone.
Saan yung bag?
Nandiyan, sa tabi mo.
Walang bag dito.
Ano ko na pinalagay ko kay Maria dyan eh? Ano ka ba? Wala nga eh! Pakitawagin mo naman si Maria.
Ako na.
Patay, nalimutan mo. Hello?
Hello? Maria, sabi kami pupito ah.
Eh, sige po.
Sino ito?
Hello? Asan na yung bag ko? Di ba sabi ko ilagay mo sa kotse?
Opo, nilagay ko nga pa sa court ni Tony.
Ba't mo nilagay?
Kaya lang po ilagay kasi sa kotse, hindi niya naman po sinabi sa kotse niya, sir. Si Sir talaga.
Ako talaga eh. Sige na nga, di bali na.
Hello? Sir?
Robert, may pera ka ba dyan? Ikaw na muna magbayad ng loan.
Naku, wala po akong pera.
Oops, okay.
Call me my friend.
I'm not gonna show you all the part, but that's cheating, I guess.
Lalabas na.
Because if Evan calls it cheating, okay, I'll put it in the bag, yeah.
Uy!
A lady after those thing, but nothing can capture the sting of the van. So like there's like a little nickel here, but there's a little small
Sisig ba yan?
Oh,
for these nails.
Ganun ba?
And this is what it
Ako
looks.
naman sasabihin tapos na lang. Talaga ba? O sige, salamat ha. Babalik na ako doon ha. Sige, sige, sige.
Okay, yeah, that's for the video, and so bye bye.